Hi there. In this video, we're gonna focus on how to solve the quadratic equation by complete square method. So let's get started. So the very first thing you need to remember that the coefficient of first term must be 1. But in our case, it's 6. We're gonna make it 1, so we divide it by 6. And remember, when you divide it by 6, you must need to divide each and every term by 6. So it's become x square. This 3 over 6 could be written as 1 over 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So for second step, you make sure that only x variable must be on left hand side. So we move this part into this side. So it's become. Now for the third step, we focus on this part over here, the coefficient of x. Don't worry about the sign, so we just put it right over here and divide it by 2. It's same as multiply by 1 over 2, so it become 1 over 4. In this step, whatever quantity you get, you must take square of it and add it on both sides. So it become. Now we see our left hand side represent a complete square of x plus 1 over 4. And our right hand side is. If you are wondering that how we get from this point to this point and how did we get complete square, that's the fact we use formula of a plus b square. In this case, x show over here and this 1 over 4 right over here, and this plus sign just got over here. Since we have friction right over here, we make negative 4 friction by putting 1 in the denominator. Now if we simplify, it's negative 4 times 16, that is negative 64, whatever sign you have, and 1 times 1, that is 1 over multiplication of these two numbers, that is 16. So it becomes negative 63 over 16. And we can also say that the square root of x plus 1 over 4 is equal to negative 63 over 16. Now we remove square. For that, we're taking under root on both sides. So this square cancel by this square root and it's become, and this side become with positive and negative sign. And we know that the under root of negative 1 is equal to imaginary number. So we can also write it as imaginary number times under root of 63 over under root of 16 with positive and negative sign. And in the left hand side we have x plus 1 over 4. Now we want to isolate x, so we move this term into this side. So it becomes. It's 4 because under root of 16 is equal to 4. Now we split it into positive and negative sign. So it's become. Now you can see the denominator is same, so we can also write it as. So our solution set is. And as you see, both solution has imaginary part. That means the answer is not real.